Hello guys, we're here at Calbayog Catarman Macdo. We're going to have our breakfast.
We slept for like 4 hours of that.
Camper camper van na kami.
Finally, we're here. Okay, after 24 hours. Look at our dress. Paano sila sila? Kasi doon, straight right. Pag ganyan. Doon lang. It's day 4, afternoon na. Look at the view. Buti si Daddy di pa pinapahawak sa akin yung gamit niya.
Told me the song, God called him to Belair and Ivan. Wow. Very nice Bible preach lady.
Ipapalit ko. Ay, napapastor mo. Joke, pero na-capture.
Every time he went to different places.
Pray ka.
Sino? Dito na to ng tugad nilulo.
Say hey vlog.
It's already 8 o'clock.
8 p.m. guys, pero parang pili namin sa na. Lagay pa rin. It's day tapo ng kape. Day 5. Day 5, yes. And we're now waiting for our
Order here in McDonald's. And we're now preparing for our morning service. And the special number is none other than
Mom Joyce.
and the backup singer and the dancer.
Talaga kasama yung aking panganay at yung aking bunso. There were time na sumakay ang tatay.
Hey guys, so katapos lang ng service and it's around
Gising na sila ng 5 pero hindi pa sila naliligo ng 5. Tapos tayo pa yung sisihin. Late tayo natutulog. Di sila kumikilos agad. Di sila kumikilos agad pagising nila.
No. Mandalera.
Oh my gosh, napul.
some dorm tour, yeah, dormitory room tour.
asked to come over here before, but the girls are embarrassed.
Oh,
Congregation thing. Unshackled. It's got
ba't ano pa tawag?
Ito po yan. Amazing. We're not going to the beach.
Yes! Ano yan? Ang ganda talaga ng dagat. Tignan mo. Sabay tayo. Hey guys, so kakatapos lang ng service and hi, lalakad kami and let's see kung ano mabibili namin. Hey guys, it's
Day 6.
6 and
Favorite place.
lunch guys, first time. Yeah, we're the girl section and the boys.
We are having joyful fellowship.
Hi guys.
Goldilocks.
Nautusan kami bumili ng cake. Ay, Sano mo.
Sana mo. Here in Catarman.
Time na umarap ka sa matinding distresses ng buhay mo.
Parating lang namin and parang late ata kami. Kakailang songs na daw sila.
Parang late. Ngayong araw, puro kami late.
Hindi pala, ano, ready na, naka 10,000 songs na daw.
So, buong songbook na kanta na nila. Sila nakasampung ulit. Sila ng songbook.
That's part of being a husband. At kung lalaki ka naman Kristiyano, kumilos ka ng lalaking Kristiyano.
Tapos na pa yung service.
Kakatapos na ng pre-preaching ni
Bless your
Pastor.
heart.
Oh, yeah,
Bless
ready
your heart,
finish my
Pastor.
preaching.
Mami.
Thank you and keep on praying for us. Truly it is a battle. No, it's hard, especially saying English. It's hard.
So, hi guys. We're now here. And we just got finished from our second to the last service.
Yes, last.
Now we're having dinner in celebration of Ma'am Nelia's birthday.
So,
Yeah. So, sabi namin, ito yung susulat.
Ganito yung sulat namin.
Susunod decision kami.
Tama naman.
We want to meet our new friends here in summer. North Carolina, America. And they're having their mission here in... I just meet them guys. Say hello to the vlog.
Jay.
State your name.
Jay Stallion, 17 years
Yeah.
old.
And I'm sorry. No.
Oh, he's trying to make One cake.
Oh, but it's Micah.
Oh, Jameson Todd.
And you?
I'm Micah, she's Sawyer, and these are our new friends.
Micah and Milka. Yeah. Just without Elvis.
Oh, what's up? So, guess what? Mapa Manila, mapa Samar.
Ooh, basketball.
Basketball pa rin sila. And
Wala nang vlog yun.
at least na naka-vlog.
Nakuha na
Pero malayo.
Yun nga.
Bye bye guys.
Bye,
Update
guys.
na namin kayo.
Naging interesado.
Joseph pa, ano naman, awake? I'm awake. Ala. Mas lalo kang kinagagamit ng Panginoon. Kung meron tayong 9 years
Magnet. I don't know. This is cute. Northern Summer. Hey vlog. So it's our last service and
John will be the last preaching.
let me introduce Mrs. Jones. The wife of Pastor Lane Jones.
Hindi mo ngayon, ano man ang kalagayan mo, sino ka man, saan ka man, hindi. Pastor Lane, please.
Family for the Lord. You have a good family. You're from a broken family. You make a good family. Serve the Lord. Amen. Amen.
Papakilala kami sa inyo.
Papakilala kami sa inyo vlog. Isa sa mga pinakamagaling na pianista sa buong mundo.
Yes. Meet Ate
Sarah.
Sarah. Yes. Hold
Sarah
Ate
Gadito.
Sarah.
Single yan,
I'm
guys. Single.
I'm turning 27.
Uy, mapalang kasi dito.
Ang nangyari, ano ba nangyari? Mga bully to mga to.
Hindi naman marunong pumirma yung pangit mong sila eh.
Ano live verse ko?
Hello, Genesis 1:1.
John 11:35. This is
We will miss eating fish.
part 2 ng aming gabi.
Basketball league. Here in...
Pinakuhanan kami na at least 5 tracks here.
Tapos may lighthouse sa likod.
Sorry. Guys, cargador na kami.
kita sa kasalanan. Bago pa nga ni bandage kita sa sala. So,
Camp June.
una na puntos na kita yun.
And
The system
supposedly,
of this world.
mag-watch kami ng
System
basketball. Even yung
System
pinapanood na namin. But we prefer watching.
Sa word.
Meron silang bonfire.
Love not the word.
Ayan,
Sabay ng kanilang mga competition.
Napaalis nila yung mga nagbabasketball sa loob. Napaalis nila itong mga campers ba.
Okay? Ano na yun ako